If you think saving money in your bank account is going to make you rich one day, I need to stop you right there. I used to think the same thing. I saved for years, felt proud watching my balance grow, and yet I never got closer to actual wealth. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why saving alone fails, and the real step-by-step path that turns your money into real growing wealth. Here's the harsh truth. Your bank account is basically losing you money every single day. Why? Because of something called inflation. Prices go up every year: food, rent, fuel, everything. But your bank savings account? It grows at maybe 1 to 3% a year if you're lucky. Inflation? Often 5 to 8% or more. So let's say you saved $10,000 5 years ago. Today, that same $10,000 buys you noticeably less than it did back then. You didn't lose money on paper, but you lost real value. This is why so many people work hard, save consistently, and still feel stuck financially. It's not because they're bad with money. It's because saving was never designed to build wealth. It was only designed to protect it short term. The moment everything changed for me was when I stopped asking, how much can I save this month? And started asking, how much can I invest this month? That single shift in thinking is the real secret behind everyone who has built long-term wealth. Saving protects you. Investing grows you. You need both, but most people stop at saving and never move to the second step. You don't need to become a financial expert, but you do need to understand a few basic terms: stocks, mutual funds, and index funds. In simple words, an index fund is like buying a small piece of hundreds of companies at once, which spreads your risk. You don't need to pick the next big stock. You just need to understand where your money is going and why. This is the step most people get wrong. They think investing requires thousands of dollars. It doesn't. Even $20 a week invested consistently, using the power of compound growth, can turn into a significant amount over 10 to 20 years. The real magic isn't the amount, it's time. The earlier you start, the less money you actually need to invest to reach the same goal. Never put all your money into one place. Spreading your investments across different sectors and types reduces your risk if one investment underperforms. Diversification is how you protect yourself from big losses while still growing your money. Markets go up and down. That's normal. The biggest mistake people make is panicking during a dip and pulling their money out. The real secret isn't predicting the market perfectly. It's staying invested through the ups and downs. Consistency beats timing every single time. When your investments start generating returns, don't withdraw and spend them immediately. Reinvest them. This is what accelerates your growth exponentially. Over time, your money starts making more money on its own. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine two people, Ali and Sarah. Ali saves $200 every month in a bank account for 20 years. Sarah invests that same $200 every month instead. By the end of 20 years, Ali has saved his money. But Sarah's investment, thanks to compounding, has grown into a significantly larger amount, often multiple times more, without her doing any extra work. Same amount saved, completely different outcome. That's the power of investing over saving. At the end of the day, the biggest reason most people never build real wealth isn't bad luck or lack of income. It's that they never take the first step from saving into investing. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. If this video helped you understand the path clearly, make sure to follow for more and let me know in the comments. Are you still saving, or have you already started investing?